Alright, hello my great students. Welcome back to our Igbo classes. Now we are going to be looking at the next topic, which is Omenala. Omenala means culture. Omenala, Oji na Omu Nku. We're talking about the culture. We have Oji, which is Kola North. We have palm front. In Igbo land, these two things are very, very important. These two things are very, very important. Okay, so today we'll be increasing our understanding on these two things so that you know how it helps the Igbo man. Okay, Kola nut, which is Oji. Kola nut is a fruit gotten from a kola nut tree in Igbo land. It has different lobes, like Ibe, is different divisions anyway. Oji Igbo, as it is rightly called, is bitter in taste and heavier in weight when compared with Boru, that is Oji Hausa. Hausa people have their own kola nut, but the Igbo people, their own is more heavier than their own. Then the milk white color of Igbo kola nut is called Oji Igbo. The milky part of the Igbo, the milky color in part of the Igbo kola nut, so we will refer to it as Oji Igbo. That milky part, we call it Oji Igbo. You can see the picture, but this picture is not clear. Now, ihe ndị eji ọjị eme n'ala Igbo, that is the functions or the uses of kola nut in the Igbo land. Alright, then we have number one there, we have eji ọjị anabata ọbịa n'ala Igbo. We use kola nut to welcome a visitor in the Igbo land. Eji ọjị egosi obi ọcha na obi aṅụrị. Then we use it to show, clean heart. That is happy heart. Yes. We use it to show happiness, clean heart. Yes. And the next one says, Eji ọjị egosi omenala jikọtara ndị Igbo. We use kola nut to show culture that unites the Igbo people. In Nigeria, we have 5 states that Igbo people are occupant. That is 5 states where they occupy, which is Anambra, Imo, Abia, Enugu. Yes, Abia, Enugu. Okay, and one other one that we have, Ebonyi. Yes, Ebonyi. That one makes it 5. Alright, okay, but let's continue. Eji ọjị amalite mmemme. Yes, we use kola nut to start a ceremony or celebration. We use it to kickstart the celebration or any occasion. We have Iche ọjị, that is presentation of kola nut. Iche ọjị means presentation of kola nut. Alright, in the family, it is the right of the male host to present kola nut. The oldest son of the family can present in the absence of his father, or even on delegation when his father is around to his or their visitors. Women are not allowed to present kola nut. It is also a taboo to present kola nut to women in Igbo land. But women eat, touch, and as well buy it for the husbands. While presenting kola nut, a wooden plate is used. This plate is called Okwa Oji. We call it Okwa Oji. Okay, the host will put the kola nut in upper orji and say to his visitors, Orji Abiala, that is, here comes the kola nut. If it is one person, that is a visitor, he will acknowledge the kola nut by saying Ndewo, so on and so forth. So that is how we do it in Igbo land. Okay, going further, the host has brought kola nut. Later, it will be returned to the host by saying Oji Eze di Eze Naka, meaning that the host kola nut is back to him for breaking. Yes. Okay, we have Ego, that is Igosi Oji, that is blessing, Igozi Oji, that is blessing of kola nut. There's a saying that kola nut does not understand English, but Igbo language. The host will either pray or delegate any elder of his to pray and make supplications with the kola nut. If a gathering involves a village in Igbo land, it is the right of the eldest man to pray, and when it involves an entire community, the Eze prays. Then, while praying, saying like, Onye wetara oji wetara ndo, Iseo, which meaning, he who brings kola nut brings life. They will now say Amen. Iseo means Amen. Now say, Igwe bere ugo, Egbe bere ugo bere, say meaning let the kite live and let the eagle live. Live and let's live. Now you say it like that, or you say live and let's live. Alright? Ya dịrị onye ukwu mma ma dịkwara onye nta mma. Let it be well with both big and small. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ. That's the proverb that the person will say. Okay? Will be said until he stops at the prayer. The host or any younger person in the gathering will break the kola nut. The host takes and eats the kola nut first, and after sharing to others according to age, and later to women, if any. Okay. You will now share, because women are entitled to eat the kola nut, but they cannot break the kola nut in Igbo land. That is our culture. Now, ihe ebe ọjị gbara pụtara n'ala Igbo, that is kola nut lobes and their meaning in Igbo land. That is the breaking of kola. Some of them when you break them, they will be in 4 parts. Some will be in 5 parts. Some will be in 3 parts. All these parts has their own meaning. So this is what we are learning now. The number 1, it says, Ọjị gbara ibe abụọ ma ọ bụ otu bụ ọjị ọgbụ, dumb kola nut. Anaghị ata ya ata. So you don't eat it. You don't eat it. Any kola nut that has 2 parts or 1 part, you don't eat it. You reject it. Yes. The second part says, Ọjị gbara ibe atọ bụ ọjị dike ma ọ bụ ikenga. So this one, or any kola nut that has 3 parts, is a good one. It's kola nut for the strong person. All right. Ọjị gbara ibe anọ bụ ọjị gbazuru agbazu. ọ na-egosi ahịa anọ ndị Igbo: Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. So it says any kola nut that has, when broken, has 4 parts is a good one as well, because it shows the 4 market days in Igbo, like Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. That is the 4 market days in Igbo land. The next one says Ọjị gbara ibe ise bụ Ọjị uru. So any kola nut that was broken and it has 5 parts is a good one as well. Ọjị gbara ibe isii bụ Ọjị ọmụmụ. Any of the kola nut that was broken, it has 6 parts. It shows giving birth. That is, there will be a lot of children in the family. Okay, we have ihe ndị enwere ike iji dochie anya ọjị. That is, other items you can use in place of kola nut, in case, because in these modern days is somehow difficult to see kola nut in some families. Yes, because of the modernism and things have changed, technology and all these things have, civilization, all these things have changed. But Igbo people have not stopped that culture of welcoming a visitor with a kola nut. So even if you don't have that kola nut, that particular kola nut, we have other things that we can use to welcome a visitor. Number 1 is angara, or afufa, which means garden egg. You can use any form of garden egg to welcome a visitor. Akilu, which is bitter kola, you can use it to welcome a visitor. Mmimi, which is pepper fruit, you can use it as well. Also Oji, which is alligator pepper, you can use it as well. We have Aho Ekere, which is groundnut, you can use it as well. We have Ano, which is meat, you can use it to welcome a visitor. We have Azu, which is fish, you can use it to welcome a visitor. We have Manya, which is drink. Drink is the most popular one that they use these days to welcome a visitor. Okay. The next one we'll be talking about is which is palm fruit. Palm fruit. This palm fruit is very important in Igbo land. Then ọmụ bụ ahịhịa or akwụkwọ nkwụ mịpụtara mechara ghọọ igu. Eji ọmụ nkwụ eme ọtụtụ ihe n'ala Igbo. Eji ya egosi ma ihe ọma ma ihe ọjọọ. So this palm fruit, you already know it anyway. It is a resemblance of so many things in Igbo land, even the good one and the bad one. Even in Christianity itself, we use Omunku as Palm, or we call it Palm Sunday, whereby, especially in the Orthodox churches, have Palm Sunday representing the Pentecost or something of that nature. It's a symbol, very powerful symbol. So look at it. Palm, can see the palm there, can see the picture. That is the palm fruit. And palm leaf also. Okay, let's look at ihe ndị eji ọmụ nkwụ eme n'ala Igbo. That is the functions or the uses of palm frond in Igbo land. Then number 1, we say a na-etinye ọmụ nkwụ n'ala a na-azọ iji gbochie mmadụ ọbụla ịbanye n'ime ya rụọ ọrụ. So any land that 2 people are dragging the land, or the other land has issue with ownership issue, so you can put that palm fruit there, or that palm leaf there. Nobody will enter there again until they settle the dispute. The second one is eji ọmụ nkwụ egosi ụgbọ ala bụ ozu. They use palm fruit to show any car that you see that has palm fruit in front of it or at the back of it. it shows that the car carries a dead body, a human dead body. Alright, in Igbo land. The next one says, Eji ya egosi osisi aga egbutu. We use it when we want to cut down a tree. We go and put it there. That is the mark that this tree, this time that we are going to cut it. The next one is ana agba ọmụ n'aka iji gosi ịdị ike. Some people tie it within their hands. That signifies strength, that they have strength. The next one says eji ọmụ nkwụ akpọ ikwe. Okay, we use it to, when two persons has dispute, you can bring the homuncle there. That shows that these two persons have been invited for them to resolve their matter, their problems, in the presence of anybody or the king or any person, their elder or something. Alright? The next one says, Eji homuncle achu aja. We use this one, we as well use it for sacrifices. For sacrifice, if you live in the village or you live where they do sacrifices, most times you see the palm tree there, especially in Igbo land. I don't know about any other state, but in Igbo land, especially you see it, use it as sacrifices. The next one says, Eji omunku eke ihe. You can use it to tie something, maybe bunch of tree, bunch of stick, or bunch of anything. You can use it to tie anything. Yes. The next one is ana etinye ọmụ na mmanya nkwụ. All this palm wine, we use it to put it there, just for coverage purpose. The next one says eji ọmụ egosi ihe arụsị. Sometimes you use it to place on something, and when they place it on something, it shows that it is the goddess that has that property. Alright, so that is where we'll stop for today. And next time we are going to continue. And please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you very much. See you in my next video class. Thank you.